My name is Cameron Verby. I work in the parts department, and I am affectionately known as the parts guy. I started my journey through ShopSabre through a temp agency. After the preliminary period, it turned out to be a great fit, and they hired me on, and we haven't looked back since. A typical day looks to me is it starts early, it starts with emails, and then it naturally moves to emails and phone calls, and then working with our tech support who have questions on pricing or availability, to fulfilling the orders that we have. So whether or not it is next day air, second day air, we try to get it out that day to make sure that everybody is up and moving. The most rewarding part of my job is when you guys call and say that you guys are in a down position. That's where ShopSabre really shines, is that we come together, we rally not only the purchasing team, the tech support team, we get out there in the back and we start slinging boxes. We start slinging parts to help with getting you back up and moving and making money. How I see my role developing is an interesting question. I'm actually getting to see it develop right now. We are currently implementing a fairly robust online store, and so we are currently just trying to make that the best as we possibly can. We're moving into the next stage of what ShopSabre can be. So some of the hobbies that I have are skiing and swimming. I used to swim in high school, and I love doing it. It's always been such a huge piece of me. I love skiing. Whenever I can, I always try to go out to Idaho. I have family out there that have a great place to go skiing. And then here at ShopSabre, a lot of times we have a group of friends who play Magic the Gathering. The culture of ShopSabre, I think, is an interesting one. It revolves a lot around creativity and the stick-to-itiveness of not wanting to give up and making sure that customers are always taken care of. At the end of the day, that's ultimately all that matters. If you're that kind of person, I would say that you would be a perfect fit for ShopSabre. It's a camaraderie thing. I mean, it started here. One of the tech support guys I asked him if he played Magic, and I knew the answer already. And he goes, yes, emphatically. And so I bought my first cards, and we never looked back.